Feeling caught off guard by unexpected bank fees or a low balance? You've got a powerful finance app, Rocket Money, working for you, but are you using its alerts to their full potential? Stick around, because today we're diving into the exact steps to customize your Rocket Money notifications so you can get the right information, right when you need it. This simple tweak can be the difference between avoiding an overdraft fee and, well, not. Rocket Money does a great job of giving you a heads up on a lot of things, like subscriptions being charged or your account balance dipping. But what if the default settings aren't quite right for your personal financial situation? That's where setting custom notifications comes in. The main custom alert you'll want to focus on is the low balance alert. By default, Rocket Money might notify you when an account drops below, say, $200. But if your rent is $1,500 and your buffer is usually larger, that $200 alert might be too late. Or, if you're working with smaller balances, $200 might be too high. Here's the quick rundown on how to change it right in the mobile app. First, tap the settings icon. It looks like a little gear in the upper left corner of your dashboard. Next, look for and select Notifications and Alerts. From there, you'll see the option to manage your existing alerts or tap Plus Balance Alert to set a new one. Once you're editing an alert, you can select the specific bank account you want to monitor and then choose a custom dollar amount. This is where you set that crucial threshold. Do you want to be alerted at $500? $100? Set it to the number that gives you enough time to act before a problem occurs. After you set your custom amount, hit Save, and you've personalized a key safety net. Now, beyond balance alerts, you can also manage the general types of push and email notifications you get. Back in that Notifications and Alerts section, you'll find a Preferences area. This is where you can toggle on or off things like general tips, product updates, and other non-critical alerts. If you're getting too many emails, this is where you go to clean up the inbox clutter and focus only on the essential financial warnings. Customizing your Rocket Money alerts transforms the app from a general tracker into a finely tuned personal finance sentinel. You get to define what low balance really means for you, ensuring that the alerts you receive are always actionable and relevant. It's all about putting you in proactive control of your cash flow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.